Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Ketenat Sam Boarding Jong Kejela James PK Sangma hakalai potrik ubanaya yong arajar arpway ula kubur ye kejing dawa jong United Democratic Party bandon kejing tokit ke balai loj kenang bansai ye kejersi bamsap na ke company boarding ke sorkar ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Ke UDP ke badai ke perlok ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balai alam da ke NPP kala kentha ajor ye kerukam traikam jong Menteri Ketenat Sam Boarding bad kala dep penher chithila arsen show Menteri rangba Konrad Kongkel Sangma ban wengno ya James PK Sangma na Ketenat Sam Boarding badru ya CMD ke MEECL Arun Kumar Kembhavi hadu banda dep ke jing tokin. Hakajo kopor ke Coordination Committee of Registered MEECL Employees Association and Unions. Kalabo por Henry Posngi ye ke sorkar bakan thung ye ke jing tokit halor ke kenrum kenram bat ke jing kenno bamsap ha MEECL. Kidon hado shipotli ke jing dawa bakongsan ke UDP bakan thop ya ke jing pentrai kam ye ki scheme bakan thop ya ke sobhagya bat ke smart meter karukam thungkam ke jing to boarding ki karkhana ke jing thet ya ki sispa antali ki core computer ki miet ki shuki bat kumju ya ke jing thmu ban IT ya ki lai phulai la khatway ki vi substation shaki company shimet ki banabar ke jilla.
There is a lot of irregularities that have taken place in the MECL, and we have seen that from the recent unearthing of power theft in the industrial areas. And this is just one such instance. We believe that there are many other areas wherein there are many other irregularities taking place. So I think that since I've been saying this before, that there is a need to go deeper into the systemic rot that is taking place within the MECL. I think that any kind of inquiry will be welcome. We need to get into it. I have been saying this time and time again that we need to go more in depth into finding out, and whoever is found guilty of any kind of malpractice or illegal activities, they will be brought to book and they will be punished. Yes, we will be discussing this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister to work out the modalities on this. Very soon we will be coming out, very soon. The government cannot be given an ultimatum, number one. There is due process which needs to be followed, and the government knows its responsibilities and its duties. It does not need anyone to come and say, serve an ultimatum to the government. But having said that, yes, the due diligence is being carried out, and it will be done shortly. See, I think that any kind of inquiry, once it is instituted, I think should be comprehensive and should go into all factors which have brought about the mismanagement in the MECL, resulting in huge financial losses, losses which are taking place. So all these things have to be looked at in depth, and that is what I was saying, that we need to get to the root of the matter.